Welcome back to another Trucker Tim video. You join me, we're about to load up the Ivecos. Richie is behind the camera. Hi guys, you alright? There he is.
Southwest Truck and Van Iveco. Get the plug in there.
You do vans too?
we do.
One is for another YouTuber, isn't that right, Richie?
It is indeed, yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
Can we mention who that is?
You can, yeah. It's Luke C and the HGV.
There we go, Luke C and HGV. One of these. Do we know which one is actually his?
We do, actually,
Do
yeah.
we? It's a little bit tight on here, Richie. I don't know if you see on the CUDA video.
Whoa! They're quite low down as well, Tim.
Are you
Let's do
backing it on?
No, definitely not.
Well, I thought that's why you were here, because...
I'm your cameraman, Tim. That's what we agreed. Yeah.
Do you like my trailer?
I love it, mate. Rumour is there's some modifications coming.
Yes, it's going for a refurb. Getting rid of these ramps. Because what you'll see in a minute, Richie, is when we put the two lorries on, I have to get the first one right up there, so this one fits to get these up.
So are we saying it's going to be a bit of a snug fit?
It's going to be tight. Don't worry, Richie, I am a professional.
Yeah.
Have a follower. What's your name, mate? Mike. Mike? He stood on my toe!
Big smiles, 1, 2, 3, Iveco. No, okay.
I've got a bit of an oil leak, Richie, on my rams. I've got this to put down. See, because I'm a professional operator.
Are you sure it's going to drip on that though, right?
It should. Is it going on the mat?
It is actually, yeah.
Ah, good. We're ready for the first Iveco. It's a bit low, Richie.
It is a bit low, Tim, yeah.
So, is this one Luke's one?
This isn't Luke's.
That's
no,
Luke. Luke's is
no.
the next one. Going to CUDA to have some more fancy bits put on.
It is,
like
yeah.
headboard, air horns, side skirts, everything.
And actually, Luke did a very good video, I must say, if I can plug him, if I may.
Excuse me.
You should.
It would have been nice for Luke to have been here today, but unfortunately he couldn't make it.
He's
Too busy trucking.
Like so. Good place. Enjoyed it, yeah.
It's always a 490.
It is, but don't be fooled, it's still a 13 litre engine. It still pulls ridiculously well.
The 13 litres.
13 litre, yeah.
490 S. This has been the first time driving one, and it's going to be in reverse up
Yeah.
there.
Yeah, no pressure, Tim. You'll be fine. Do you know what, I always get told off by Harringtons for stepping on the steps.
Ah, yes.
And
Well, how else do you get in?
well,
Oh, nice. This is the first time in a new I've driven older ones.
so you're currently sat on a heated and air-cooled seat.
Am I really?
Mmm.
I'll back the back wheels up onto the neck. I'll jump out and we'll just look at clearance because we're going to have trouble with this tank.
Whoa!
Ah. Put the axle up and now it'll go down. Alright, Richie, don't panic! I tell you what, cut here.
I thought you said you were a professional.
But I am! Short wheelbase, that's the problem, I think. She's on, mate, we did it.
Yeah, just.
We had to let the tyres down so we could get some traction. But here comes the second one, Luke C and HGV's new Iveco.
So this is Luke's.
First time driving Luke C's truck.
No pressure. What?
No. Didn't have these, we'd be fine. It's that tank strap.
Dare I say it, can we just take off one of the tank straps?
Do you wish you'd called a professional truck transporter now?
Absolutely. I mean, no, no, Tim, no, no.
Excuse me!
I'm very pleased that you doing it.
Yeah. Let's have a drink and have a think. Okay.
Keep going.
I think we did it.
Yeah, just about, mate.
Pleased with the service I've provided?
Yeah, I mean, I'll be honest with you, Tim. I've been here a bit longer than I thought I was going to be.
Yeah, there is that.
But yeah, all in all,
It's
good so far.
You know, we've all worked together as a team, haven't we? And solved the problem.
Yeah. I'd say more of the credit goes towards tour trucks than it does to...
100%. Might be right.
I don't know what we were worried about, Tim.
Fine. Good job we put that down, you see. Next time we do a load, I'll be ready.
You'll be more prepared.
Last strap. You think I've got a long enough strap? You happy with that? Ain't going anywhere, is it? Ooh, that could have been nasty, couldn't it?
Would have made good content though.
Ramps are up. We're happy with all clearances. Tanks
Good to
secure.
go. Mirrors are in.
Mirrors are in. Trucks are secure.
It's just down to you and Tim and
Down to
Tim.
me and the road.
Tim and Tim the other end.
Oh God.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Job done. There we are.
See you, mate. We're loaded. We've finally got the Iveco's loaded and we're on the road to Cuda Automotive. So we're just crawling past Stonehenge now. There it is over there in the distance. What is the fascination of the rocks? Let me know in the comments, but you can't even go up to them, look. You just walk around them in a circle. Look at them all. They want some tones. Look at these pair, look, risking life and limb to get to Stonehenge. Better stop here for some fuel. What the hell, that a diesel? We've gone for this sort of affair because that one's out of diesel and matey's on that one there, so I've come on this one. Just reaches if you get close. Oh, let's go and pay for this. We also have some lunch. I bet you can't guess what road I'm on. Put it in the comments if you can. I'll tell you what though, it is a lovely day for a little bit of trucking. We love trucking. There seems to be some hold up to progress on the A12. Might go buy a car. Qu'est-ce que c'est beau? R580, single tag. Whoa, contraflow! The roads in the UK are absolutely shocking. Get me back abroad. I could drive on these roads out here for hours.
Is also not allowed.
Oh, really? Oh, finally at the end of the A12. About to get on the A14. On to the A14. I think we left at 11:30. It's now 6 PM and we've still got about 15-20 minutes to go. Then we gotta get it unloaded, and then we gotta get back to the yard. Curtains open, mate. Oh, come on, Iveco's. Now this is the bit I don't like. All of the low trees with my really high load on. Just trying to sit in the middle as much as possible. Keep hearing the branches. Finally here. I have arrived. Available in the merch store, link in the description. Oh Tim, it's been a bit of a day. How are you, Tim? Are you alright?
I'm alright, mate. Yeah, I want to go home for me tea if I'm being honest.
Yeah, so do I. Actually, funny enough.
Yeah. Very good.
Oh, yeah. That's Luke seeing HGV safely delivered. Let's get the second one off. This is always a bit sketchy, driving these off. Yeah. Oh. I so need to get rid of these ramps. Hope you like your new truck, Luke C.
Here you go, Tim. There's payment for today.
2 lots of horn blasters.
2 lots of horn blasters. Lucky you.
Well, I've already got a set.
1 out of 3.
I could do 2 sets. Dale!
That's only 9 o'clock for Dale.
I'm not going to turn them down. Lob them in there, Tim. Thank you. No. Thank you very much.
You are most welcome, sir.
See you soon, Tim.
Yeah,
Thank
thanks,
you.
mate.
Goodbye, Cuda. Until next time. Off I go with my 2 lots of horn blasters back home. We've now got to take this trailer back to Sean's. Let's go. Feels good to be empty. Wow. Look at that sky. It's not really coming out on camera that well. Yay. Again, we're doing more night driving. Get some full beam on. Woohoo! Look at them. Oops, sorry. Come on, Freshlink. I want to get home. We have the underglow on. Here we are.
Evening, driver.
We're still on content.
I've got my flip-flops on tonight.
What are the tractors doing up and down here?
Combining. Looks good, doesn't it? Yeah. Put the blues and twos on. Come on, drive. Keep coming. Keep coming. Yeah. Well, he done it in one go.
Do you like my beacons?
Yeah. That'll do, pig. I see.
Yes.
Horn blasters.
Yes.
We ain't done a winch out for a little while, but silly season is approaching, so we may get one. Are they bright? Ah, right, good.
What are we doing that boat?
Ah, boat. Take the engine out of the boat.
I had a nightmare.
Oh no.
Crash on the 8. Well.
Don't look at the light.
All
All the flies. Oh. I didn't get your number plate off.
I've been to King, that was in part 1 of the video.
Oh, part 1,
We're
yeah.
still filming
Oh,
since then.
yeah. Oh, well, good. King say.
King said, yeah?
Yeah.
Not too bad.
No, I know it's not. I want a fresh O-ring in there.
Oh, for God's sake. Yeah, no, it's fine.
Oh, good. They're having the ramps off.
Spruce, yeah, get rid of them. They have been the pain in my backside today.
Proverbial rear.
Yeah, because it's such a harsh incline, tank grounds out.
Oh.
So we had to remove a tank strap.
Not think about getting some blocks of wood out.
Would you believe it? No.
There you go. See the inexperience. If you got some wood out, you never took a tank strap off. Because you could have driven up the back wheels onto the wood.
And then I could have used them ramps.
Yes.
I just strap them to the deck. Like, if not, I could spin them out.
Yes.
Go through the back of the cab. I'll say, you wait till you watch the
What
video.
would you have done?
You wait until you watch it.
What?
Give it a little bit of welly to get it up.
Did you?
Yeah, to get it on.
And then what happened?
Because if not, the wheel spins.
Did you put the diff lock in?
No, turned it, and it went up.
Then what?
And then it went up onto its mid-lift, and then I got stuck.
You got beached.
So we got all of a fluster, me and Richie from Iveco,
Oh dear.
and we let the mid-lift tyres down
Ah,
to get it back on the deck.
definitely
It's just been
use
one of
wood.
them I could have done with you. Look quite nice, Sean.
I've had a shower. First one this week.
And this Friday.
That's not Friday, it's Tuesday. Tuesday? Yeah, it's Tuesday.
Fifth wheel's good, by the way.
Is it better? Yeah. Nice. Oh, lovely. Glad you're pleased.
Look at that. Boom. Oh, Sean.
Oh dear, you have an issue.
Oh, I'm going to get bit to death on the way home.
I tell you what, I ain't. See you, mate.